Okay, Sherwood Park. They don't build them like they used to. Look at this classic here. It's almost 100 years old. Now the house that I'm listing, it's not almost 100 years old. It's much newer than that, but it's the original owners who built it. They did most of the woodwork in the house themselves. They contracted everything. We're only 5 minutes from Sherwood Park, very close to schools, very close to, you know, all the major highways and stuff like that that you would need to get to. Good access to the airport. Like I say, 5 minutes from Sherwood Park. City water, new septic tank. The lot here is outstanding. It's one of the most private ones that I've been to in recent memory. If you want to come see it, please get a hold of me, Jay McMillan, or any of the McMillans on the McMillan team. We'd be more than happy to show you, and you won't be disappointed with the quality. It's fantastic. Thank you.